Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for a thrilling finale because this last game of the week will be a showstopper. It's the USA Falcons versus the CSPC Blue Stallions, closing out the week with wow performance. Dito lang yan sa Bukal Season 6. Good afternoon, Bicolandia. We are coming to live from the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. I am Jasper Abante and makakasama ko ngayon si Christine Reyes para sa bakbakan ng USA Falcons and the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Ayan nga, Jasper, live na live po tayo ngayon dito sa Ateneo Gymnasium para sa ating huling laban ng ating USA Falcons and CSPC Blue Stallions. And of course, mapapanood po tayo ng live sa ating Oragon Sports TV, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Bukal Facebook page. Kaya sa mga team bahay po, mag-comment down below dahil shoutout po namin kayo maya-maya lamang po. At ito nga, Jasper, napag-usapan na natin na maglalaban ngayong hapon na to. It's the CSPC Blue Stallions versus the USA Falcons. At para sa mga fans po, itong ating dalawang school, wala pa po silang talo. Kaya naman napakagandang laban po ang ating mapapanood. Sino ang uuwing walang talo at sino ang uuwing may isang talo na po sa kanilang standing ngayon sa ating Bukal Season 6. Kaya kaabang-abang, Jasper, ang magiging laro natin ngayong hapon na ito.
Alright then, yun na nga, undefeated itong dalawang teams na ito, and as you can remember, the CSPC Blue Stallions got their first win kontra doon sa STI Olympians with 89-59 yung kanilang score doon. And yung kanila namang pangalawang panalo, the CSPC Blue Stallions got their second win against the Biscas Spartans. Ayan, last Saturday, 111-66 yung score nila doon sa kanilang second game. And ito naman nating USA Falcons won their first game against the STI Olympians. 109-52 yung kanilang score doon. And nanalo din itong ating USI Falcons. Nanalo din sa kanilang second game kontra sa Mariners Blue Dolphins with 99-64 yung kanilang score doon. And abangan natin itong si John Michael Doloso from the side of the USA Falcons dahil back-to-back best player ito for the USA Falcons. So abangan natin siya. And of course, John Laiko Nianggar and Felix Andrew Diang ang mga naging best player of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Kaya naman abangan natin sila ngayong hapon. And on the USA Falcons, nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen to give us an update. Alright, so hi Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Hello, Tin and Jasper, and good afternoon, Bicolandia. This is Chen Shaira Nicolas at narito na naman po ako para maghatid ng latest update dito sa side ng USI Falcons as I got a little conversation with Coach Pops, and according to him, this time they are going to improve their defense against Blue Stallions, and they are also focused on how to impose the players in proper way to execute the game plan. Dagdag pa niya, sisipagan lang nila sa loob ng hardcourt at i-enjoy ang game to make sure na ang USI Falcons ay muling ipapakita na they are soaring back and ready to fight for their title. Kaya naman mga kaibigan, sikaping tumutok dito lang sa Bukal Season 6, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan, handang-handa na nga ngayong hapon ito ang ating USI Falcons on getting their third win and no loss para sa ating season ng Bukal na ito. At napakaganda nga nung sinabi dito ni Coach Pops na talagang mag-focus sila sa depensa ng ating USI Falcons, which is very important. Pero kailangan din nilang pagtrabahuhan yung kanilang opensa dahil nga kung walang depensa, wala ding opensa. So I think the USI Falcons is really ready to conquer this basketball matchup against the CSPC Blue Stallions. Kaya sabi nga natin kanina, napakagandang laban ang ating mapapanood. So stay tuned po as we are about to start the first quarter of the matchup of the CSPC Blue Stallions and the USI Falcons. And at this moment, ayan na po ang ating starting lineup. Both the USI Falcons and the CSPC Blue Stallions. Andyan nga si Doloso, I mean. And we have jersey number 25, Del Rosario, na galing pa yan sa ACLC Naga. And of course, dito sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions, sabi nga natin na abangan din natin yung magiging laro nila ngayong hapon. Kaya para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Princess. Hi Princess, update natin dyan.
Thank you, Thien and Jasper. The rivalry of excellence towards championship is still on. Marhay na hapon, Bicolandia. We're still live at the hard court of Ateneo Gymnasium for the electrifying match between the USI Falcons versus the CSPC Blue Stallions, men's basketball seniors. Last matchup, the Blue Stallions came out really strong with their exceptional strategies. Coach Pip reminded the team to be fully mindful of their actions to continuously defend their game plan. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Precious, on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. And ayun na nga, abangan natin kung ano yung mga adjustments na ginawa dito ng CSPC Blue Stallions pagdating sa kanilang opensa at depensa. Siyempre, magandang laban ito, Tin, dahil itong dalawang teams na ito ay wala pang katalo-talo dito sa ating new season. Pero yun na nga, pinagtapat na sila ngayong hapon and isa sa kanila ang mag-uuwi ng may isang panalo. Alright, so as we can see there, no hesitation shot by jersey number 19 of the CSPC Blue Stallions. That's good for 2 points.
Ayan nga, Jasper, 4-2 on our scoreboard, 2-point lead coming from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now on the run ng ating USI Falcons. Now, 10 seconds to shoot. The ball will stay on the side of the USI Falcons. At ngayon po, nagsisimula na ang bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Now,
Del Rosario to Posada. Tries for the 3 and that's good for the USI Falcons. Magandang simula at magandang bawi ng USI Falcons kontra dito sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, jersey number 14. Jersey number 11. To the inside and that's good. 2 points naman ang maidadagdag dito sa talaan ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, jersey number 3 from the USI Falcons.
Now, jersey number 15. Lamang ng isa dito ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Posada ngayon may hawak ng bola. Passes to Doloso. Doloso, one of the key players of the USI Falcons. Pass on the inside. Asibor. No good. Second chance para dito sa ating USI Falcons. Posada on the run. No good on that 3-point attempt. Tries again. Wala pa rin para dito sa ating USI Falcons. But another steal on their side. A 3-pointer here. A big 3 coming from Asibor. Unang 3 para dito sa ating USI Falcons. And another steal coming from Posada. Dire-diretso yung pagpuntos dito ngayon ng ating USI Falcons.
Grabe, Tin. Back-to-back points of the USA Falcons. Ayan, ball possession na naman ngayon ng Falcons. Jersey number 3 on the outside. Now, jersey number 25 with that layup. That's good. Back-to-back points of the USA Falcons. Wala pang nagiging sagot dito ang CSPC Blue Stallions dahil naaagawan sila dito ng bola nitong ating USA Falcons. And another steal coming from the Falcons. Posada. And that's good for 2 points by jersey number 22. Grabe.
Ayan nga, Jasper. Ito na nga yung sinabi dito ni Coach Pops na pag-iigihan ng USI Falcons yung kanilang depensa. And at this moment, kitang-kita mo sa pagsimula ng ating first quarter. Grabe. Grabe yung pagsimula ng USI Falcons. Back-to-back points coming from them. 16-6 na nga po. ang ating talaan. 11-0 run na po. Grabe yung ating USI Falcons with the help of all the players inside. We have Astibor, Del Rosario, Doloso, as well as Posada na talagang communication between them and yung defense ang ipinapakita nila. Hindi nakagalaw yung CSPC Blue Stallions doon. And that's a good start for the USI Falcons if they really need or if they really want to have that gap against the CSPC Blue Stallions. And now we only have 6 minutes and 31 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. And at this moment, kailangan lang talaga maging consistent ng ating USI Falcons. And as you can remember, Jasper, on the last season of Bukal, itong ating USI Falcons, medyo nahirapan doon sa mga teams na nakalaban nila during the elimination round. But this time, ibang-iba yung USI Falcons na nakikita natin. And we're really happy na lahat ng teams dito sa ating Bukal nag-improve. At talagang ipinapakita nila yung kanilang laro dito. And as of the moment, CSPC Blue Stallions basketball. Now,
Ayun natin, nakasagot na doon itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions with 2 points by jersey number 8 of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan.
long three, no good. Blue Stallions again on the run. 20 seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 19. Tries, no good. Rebound. Fadeaway shot, wala pa rin.
Now, USA Falcons. And a blocking foul has been called to jersey number 15 of the USA Falcons. Turnover here on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Grabe yun din, maagang napatawag doon ng timeout kanina yung ating CSPC Blue Stallions dahil sa 11-0 run na nagawa kanina ng ating USA Falcons. So we'll see kung ano yung magiging sagot nila dito since Felix Andrew Diang checked in for the CSPC Blue Stallions, one of the key players of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
And now Jasper, as we can see, 16-8 on our scoreboard. Both teams gustong makuha dito yung kanilang panalo para malinas yung kanilang record para sa ating elimination round. Now still CSPC Blue Stallions basketball. Now on the inside, hindi pa yan naipasok. Rebound on the side of the CSPC Diang. Passes on the corner, jersey number 8 to 24. Tries for 3. No good. Now chance for the USI Falcons.
Now jersey number 22 for the Falcons on the corner. Jersey number 18, and that's good for 3 points. Grabe, walang mintis pa rin yung mga 3 points dito ng USA Falcons. Now, jersey number 8 of the Stallions. No good on that 3 points attempt. Now let's see.
Now Del Rosario to Burse. Burse again. Passes on the inside, but still on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Diang tries for 3. Wala pa rin para sa opensa ng ating Blue Stallions, but a second chance para sa kanila. And at this moment, wala pa rin para dito sa ating Blue Stallions. But a double dribble was committed on the side of the USI Falcons. So, turnover para dito sa ating USI Falcons. No chance para dito sa ating Blue Stallions para madagdagan yung kanilang puntos at mabawasan yung kalamangan ng USI Falcons sa ating first quarter.
4 minutes and 43 seconds ang natitirang oras dito sa ating first quarter. So let's see. Diang with the ball on the outside, looking for a good opportunity here with that pick by jersey number 14. No good on that 3 points attempt and the defensive rebound here. Now jersey number 8 and a steal here by the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now on the inside, jersey number 14. No good on that attempt. Grabe din, nahihirapan ditong pumuntos itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions dahil sa kanilang fast pace and magandang depensang pinapakita nitong ating USA Falcons.
Ayan nga Jasper, ang daming opportunity na magaganda sana on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions pero hindi talaga nila nagagawa ng paraan. But now Cornelio passes to Diang with 16 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 8 for 3. That's good para dito kay Atanasio. At yun yung kailangan ng CSPC Blue Stallions natin ngayon as they're just going to have an 8 points na hahabulin sa USI Falcons. Doloso, babawi.
No, good on that 3 points attempt by Doloso. And now CSPC Blue Stallions, jersey number 8. Nagmamadali for the Stallions. And yun na nga, may kasabay siya dun na whistle. And the 2 free throws ang igagawad kay jersey number 8 of the CSPC Blue Stallions with that pushing foul by jersey number 22 of the USI Falcons.
Ayan, Jasper, ang dami na din nanonood sa atin ng live dito sa ating Bukal and Oragon Sports live coverage. Shoutout po kay Stephen Bayaw, Ramram, Eugene Baco, Nico Samar, asin kay Ivan Dacuno. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now ball possession again of the USI Falcons. They're on the lead of 7 points. Now jersey number 18 passes on the sideline. Now 14 seconds to shoot on their side. Asibor ngayon may hawak ng bola. Heavily guarded by Cornelio.
8 seconds to shoot for the Falcons. Asibor with that long 3 and that's good for the USI Falcons. Grabe yun, Tin. Maulan sa labas pero ang init ng laban nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions kontra dito sa USI Falcons.
Yes, napakaganda ng ipinapakita dito ng ating USI Falcons. If they can be consistent throughout this quarter or even on the next quarter, malaki yung chance talaga na makuha nila yung kanilang momentum. At 10 points na nga yung kanilang kalamangan and a basket count on the side of the USI Falcons. Chance for a 3-point play here. Now jersey number 8 on the side of the USI Falcons.
Quiniano for the USI Falcons. 24-12, a 12-point lead. Quijano rather. Jersey number 8. 12 points lead ang hawak ngayon dito ng USI Falcons. Dagdagan pa yan ng isa 10. 13 points ang hawak ngayon ng USI Falcons. Let's see kung ano yung magiging bawi dito ng Blue Stallions. Jersey number 24 to jersey number 8. Tries for the 3. No good on that attempt. And may follow-up doon. Si jersey number 14 on that second chance. And that's good for 2 points. That is Pedro Vilitario of the CSPC Blue Stallions now.
USI basketball. 10 seconds to shoot on their side. Jersey number 8 ngayon, Quijano. Passes on the outside. Burse may hawak ng bola. 2 seconds. Tries, no good. Offensive rebound. Burse again with the ball. Passes on the wrong person. Now, another steal on the side of the USI. Pasok pa yung tres nitong si jersey number 13 ng USI Falcons. Grabe talaga yung ipinapakita ngayon ng mga players ng USI Falcons. Look with that 3-pointer.
Pero may agad na sagot doon din si jersey number 8 of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Basket count plus 1 free throw. Balit 3 points play opportunity for Atanasio of the Blue Stallions.
Ito yung magandang panoorin na laban na Jasper. Talagang bigayan ng puntos itong ating USI and CSPC. Grabe yung bakbakan na ipinapakita nila sa atin. Pero grabe din yung laro ng USI Falcons ngayon. Both on the offense and the defense, pinapakitaan tayo ng magandang communication inside the court itong mga players ng ating USI Falcons. Now, again, it's the USI's basketball. Jersey number 13 now to inbound. Pass to Cruelos. Back to jersey number 13. Now, Burse may hawak ng bola. 17 seconds to shoot. Burse nahihirapan dito. Now on the inside, back to Burse. Nagkakaagawan ng bola. And
a steal
CSPC
here by the CSPC. Atanasio with that layup. Easy 2 points for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan, naibaba na nila sa siyam na puntos ang kalamangan dito ng ating USI Falcons. Back-to-back steal by Atanasio. Now let's see here. Atanasio with that layup again. No good on that attempt. Ball possession of the USI Falcons. Now, jersey number 11 on the outside. Tries for the 3. No good on that attempt.
Now CSPC on the run, on the corner. Anastasio. Nakuha pa yun ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Coming from Atanasio. We only have 46 seconds remaining in our first quarter. 28-22 na habol pa ng CSPC Blue Stallions yung 12 points na kalamangan ng ating USI Falcons. And at this moment, napatawag nga ng timeout itong ating USI Falcons kasi sunod-sunod yung naging steal nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions at naibaba pa nga nila sa anim ang kanilang kalamangan dito. And what a good start for our first quarter, and what more sa mga susunod na quarter nitong laban ng USI and CSPC Blue Stallions.
Kaya naman din pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Biggs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, and of course, Ngo & Sons, Trading and Industries Incorporated. Nandyan din ang Naga College Foundation, Gold Glofa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel Garden Cafe, Nagayan Travel and Tours, NCFV Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, and of course, Universidad de Santa Isabel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta dito sa Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. Ayan.
Ayan, Jasper, back to the ball game tayo with only 36 seconds remaining on our game clock. Now, it's the ball possession of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Jersey number 26 will be on the free throw line. That's Kulibar sa side ng ating Blue Stallions.
And of course, Bukal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. And now back to the ball game. Ball possession here of the USA Falcons. Jersey number 22, Doloso. Tulok on the outside. Now Cruelos with 7 seconds to shoot for the Falcons. Now, no good on that attempt. Sayang yung opportunity na yun, Tin. Now, 10 seconds to shoot for the Blue Stallions. No good on that attempt. Pero sa kanila pa rin yung bola. Tries for the 3 and that's good for the CSPC Blue Stallions. At dyan ang atin tinapos ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions yung ating first quarter on that 3-point shot. On the corner, ayan, naibaba na nila sa 2 puntos ang kalamangan dito ng USI Falcons. Tingnan ulit natin yung 10, yung 3 points doon ni, ayan, as we can see, jersey number 13, Cornelio with that 3 for the Stallions, and that's good. Ayan, dyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second quarter only here on One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back for our second quarter of the matchup of the CSPC Blue Stallions and the USI Falcons. What a great first quarter we had! Grabe yung mga players nitong ating USI Falcons as well as the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ito Jasper nung first half nitong ating first quarter, napakaganda ng momentum on the side of the USI Falcons. While on the other side, itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions medyo nahirapan dahil puro steal on the side of the USI Falcons. Pero nabuhayan bago pa matapos yung ating first quarter, and at this moment, a lot of 3-pointers ang nagawa dito ng USI as well as the CSPC Blue Stallions. Kung kaya po, meron na tayong puntos ng 32-26 and a good start din sa USI Falcons para dito sa ating second quarter dahil agad naman nilang nakuha yung kalamangan ulit dito sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Kaya abangan natin dito kung ano kaya yung magiging changes ng CSPC as well as the USI to be consistent on their plays at makuha yung kalamangan sa kada kupunan.
Yun ang atin, and in the last sequence, 3 points play opportunity for Del Rosario, pero no good on his free throw. Ball possession na ngayon ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, Diang pushes to the inside. No hesitation, took that shot. No good on that attempt by Diang. And defensive rebound here by the Falcons. No good on that attempt. No good on that second chance. Now, back to the Stallions. Jersey number 19 to Diang with 15 seconds to shoot. Now, a steal here by the Falcons. And a loose ball here out of bounds as the CSPC Blue Stallions will take the ball possession. Kaya naman ngayon, humingi tayo ng update on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Nandiyan ang ating courtside. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Precious to give us an update. Hi Precious, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Jasper. Kitang-kita natin na mas nagiging mainit ang labanan ng dalawang koponan dito sa Ateneo Gymnasium. The Blue Stallions are giving their fullest best na makabawi at masustain ang kanilang depensa. Itinatak nga sa ating Blue Stallions to balance out every happenings, be composed enough, and to be ready at all times. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Precious. Ayan nga, be ready lagi itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. And of course, kailangan pa nilang doble kayod sa kanilang opensa as well as on their defense. Dahil at this moment, napalaki muli ng USI Falcons yung kanilang kalamangan dito pa lang sa pagsisimula ng ating second quarter. So, it's a big challenge for the CSPC Blue Stallions to really have that gap and to really have that lead against the USI Falcons. And at this moment, doon naman sa side ng ating USI Falcons, maganda yung simula sa kanila ng kanilang second quarter. So titingnan natin kung maging consistent pa rin ba sila o katulad ng ating first quarter na mahahabol nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. At ngayon nga, there's a clarification on the side of the referees, so let's just wait for the confirmation. Pero bago ang lahat, shoutout muna tayo dito kay Marlene Secundo, kay Kyla Marie Tuason Cacnyo, as in kay Angel Ann. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-atabay.
Siyempre, nandiyan din si Miss Amanda, ang courtside correspondent ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan, happy viewing po. And we are waiting here for a clarification kung ano yung nangyari doon sa last sequence na iyon. And while waiting, Tin, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, and of course, Ngo & Sons, Trading and Industries Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. Ayan, at ball possession dito ng USA Falcons. As we can see here,
yes, last touch itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. At ngayon nga, ball possession na ng ating USI Falcons. At para makihingi tayo ng update all the way from their side, let's hear it from Chen. Hi Chen, any updates?
First quarter pa lang ating Jasper, but the USI Falcons preparation is already tested by showing their strong defense against Blue Stallions. Coach Tupe also commended the good start of the team. They just have to continue the proper communication that they are showing into this game. Wag lang magmadali dahil may natitira pang ilang quarters. Trabahuhin lang ng maayos ang larong ipinapakita para hindi makahabol ang kalaban. Yan muna ang update dito sa side ng Falcons. Balik sa inyo.
thank you so much, Shen, on that update from the side of the USA Falcons. So ayun na nga sabi ni Coach Tupe, the USA Falcons need to maintain their proper communication para naman manatiling lamang dito sa ating ball game. And of course, they need to keep their defense strong para naman mabawasan dito yung chances ng ating USI Falcons, CSPC Blue Stallions rather, na mabawasan yung kanilang kalabangan and makapantay doon sa kanilang puntos. Now, let's see kung ano namang magiging sagot dito ng CSPC Stallions. Jersey number 14. Now, to Belgica. And a loose ball here. Turnover. Now, let's see. No good on that attempt, pero may kasabay yung tin na whistle. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Doloso of the CSPC Blue Stallions. A chance for them to increase their lead here dito sa ating second quarter.
Yes, 34-28 na nga po ang nasa scoreboard natin. 6 na puntos na kalamangan on the side of the USI Falcons. So now, Doloso on the free throw line. No good on that first attempt. And shoutout din sa ating live audience dito sa loob ng ating Neo Gymnasium na todo suporta sa ating USI Falcons and CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, Doloso wala pa rin para doon sa kanyang pangalawang free throw. Now, it's the ball possession of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Jersey number 19. Now on the run, heavily guarded here. 26 on the inside. A whistled foul. Yan, may foul nga na naitawag dito kay Doloso. Now, jersey number 26 will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here.
Magandang opportunity ito tin for the CSPC Blue Stallions para naman makadikit sa kalamangan na nagawa ng ating USI Falcons. And of course, malay natin din on the third quarter, magkaroon tayo or on the remaining time of the second quarter, magkaroon tayo ng change of favor or change of momentum dito sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Aabangan natin yan tin dahil naibaba na nga nila sa 4 na puntos ang kalamangan dito ng USI Falcons.
Now, USI's basketball. Asibor ngayon may hawak ng bola. 7 minutes and 21 seconds remaining. Heavily guarded by Diang. Papasok sa loob.
And natawagan dun tin ng traveling violation. And of course din, more fun traveling with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta dito sa Bukal.
Now, CSPC, inbound na yan ngayon. Jersey number 19. Now, 20 seconds to shoot on their side. Jersey number 19, papasok sa loob. No good. The ball will stay on the side of the Blue Stallions. Talagang wala sila ditong pinapalampas na opportunity. Now, Diang to inbound. Only 14 seconds on the shot clock. Anatasio.
Atanasio for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Matunog itong pangalan ni Atanasio for the CSPC Blue Stallions as he contributes a lot of points for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan.
Now, jersey number 26, Kulibar again on the free throw line. First try. That's good. Now, a second try dito kay Kulibar on that free throw line. That's good. The green basket for him.
Ayun na nga tinat na ibaba na dito ng CSPC Blue Stallions sa 2 puntos. Ang kalamangan dito ng USI Falcons. Not big. 2 puntos na lamang po ang lamang dito ng Falcons. Now, Diang on the outside. Pushes to the inside. Now, Diang on the corner. Fakes for the 3. Now, jersey number 26 back to Diang. Tries for the 3. No good. And a steal here. Offensive rebound by jersey number 14. Now to Diang. Pushes to the inside. No hesitation. No good on his second attempt.
Yan, ang daming opportunity sa side ng CSPC Blue Stallions pero hindi nagagawa ng paraan dito. Makukuha na sana nila dyan yung kanilang puntos. But now, Asibor on the 3-point. No good, pero a foul was committed on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Diang ngayon matatawagan ng foul.
Ay natawagan dito ng blocking foul si Felix Andrew Diang of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan at may warning dito si Felix Andrew Diang for unsportsmanlike behavior dahil dun sa itinawag na blocking foul. Andrew Diang is complaining about that, pero 3 points by jersey number 18 of the USA Falcons. Hatid sa atin yan ng Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, Paul Burse of the USA Falcons. Now, may sagot ba ang CSPC Blue Stallions? No, good on that attempt.
Now,
Burse.
37-32, Asibor passes on the corner. Now, Doloso ngayon, titira ng 3.
Back-to-back 3 points by USA Falcons. Hatid naman sa atin yan ng KD Sportswear and Apparel. Grabe, back-to-back 3 points for the USA Falcons. Muling naitaas sa 8 points ng ating USA Falcons, pero agad na binawasan niya ng 2 puntos nitong CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan, 6 na puntos na kalamangan dito ang hawak ng USA Falcons.
Yes, si Baita, yung nag-tres kanina para sa ating USA Falcons. Now, CSPC without rebound. 20 seconds to shoot, 5 minutes and 9 seconds na lamang ang nititira dito sa ating first half. Now on the corner.
Atanasio, no good on that attempt by Atanasio. Now, jersey number 11 and jersey number 23 checked in for the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Now, Burse to inbound para dito sa ating USA Falcons. So, Sibor ngayon may hawak ng bola. Now, Sibor heavily guarded here by jersey number 23. Now, 6 of the USA Falcons here. Going inside. Ano kayang gagawin niya? No good on that attempt. But a whistled foul. So, the ball will stay on the side of the USA Falcons.
Big man, 4 for the USA Falcons. Grabe. No hesitation din, kahit 2 yung bantay niya doon. Talagang ipapasok niya yung bola. And that's 3 points again by Paul Burse of the USA Falcons. Hatid naman sa atin yan ng Skytech Advertising. Grabe. Back-to-back 3 points talaga of the USA Falcons. Now, jersey number 11 to jersey number 23 mid-range jumper. No good on that attempt and out of bounds as the USA Falcons will take the ball possession.
Yes, grabe na yung pinapakita dito ng USA Falcons sa ating second quarter. 43-34, napalaki muli nila ang kanilang kalamangan dito with the help of 3-pointers coming from the players of the USA Falcons, Burse and Baita. Now, Burse may hawak ng bola, passes on jersey number 5, tries. That's good for the fadeaway shot. Grabe ito ating USA Falcons dahil dyan napatawag ng timeout itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Dahil sa sunod-sunod na puntos na nagagawa ngayon ng ating USA Falcons, 45-34. Nung pag-umpisa ng ating second quarter, Jasper, halos magkadikit pa itong ating USI as well as the CSPC. Pero ngayon, grabe yung nilamang ng USA Falcons with the help of the players. Yung opensa nila, grabe yung ipinapakita. Yung depensa nila, talagang hindi masyadong nakakagalaw yung CSPC Blue Stallions sa loob. And as we can see, consistency yung kailangan dito ng USA Falcons if they really want to have that lead at magpatuloy pa sa third quarter as well as the fourth quarter.
Grabe din. As we can see, the USA Falcons talagang gutom na makuha ang kanilang ikatlong panalo this season. And syempre, CSPC Blue Stallions very eager to get their third win this season. Kaya naman hindi basta-bastang bumibitaw at nagpapalamang ng masyadong malaki dito sa ating USA Falcons. 11 points ang hawak dito ng USA Falcons.
Yes, baka mangyari din yung katulad kanina sa first quarter kung saan 12 points yung inilamang ng USA Falcons pero agad nahabol nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. And now it's the ball possession of the Blue Stallions, jersey number 19. Now going inside, wala pa rin para sa kanilang opensa. Now USI, Asibor, dire-diretso, passes on the corner again for 3. No good this time, pero offensive rebound, Burse. In and out ball. Now Blue Stallions loses the ball. Burse ngayon, passes to Asibor. Pero Meron nga dyan na itawag. The ball will stay on the side of the USI Falcons.
Ayan, natawagan dito ng blocking foul si jersey number 14 of the CSPC Blue Stallions, that is Pedro Vilitario. Same ball possession for the Falcons. Now Baita pushes to the inside with no hesitation. No good in that attempt. Another chance for Baita, pero this time may whistle na. Nakasabay dito si Baita. 2 free throws ang igagawad dito kay Baita of the USA Falcons.
Now Baita on the free throw line. 3 minutes and 28 seconds na lamang po natitira sa ating first half. 45-34. Dagdagan pa yan ng isa galing sa free throw. Itong si Baita. Now, a good play coming from the USI Falcons. Baita, 2-on-2 para sa kanyang free throw. Now, it's a chance for the CSPC Blue Stallions to lessen that gap of the USI Falcons. Now, Cornelio passes to jersey number 19. Now on the corner, Cornelio for 3. No good. Now nagkakagawa ng bola. Offensive rebound on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Jersey number 24 for 3. Bumawi naman talaga itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions coming from jersey number 24. Grabe.
Grabe din. Hatid sa atin yan ang Converge Fiber X. And now, ball possession of the USA Falcons. Jersey number 6, 4. Big man of the USA Falcons. No good on that spin. And defensive rebound here by the Stallions. Jersey number 23 on the outside. Looking for a good opportunity here.
Now, Correa again for 3. That's good! Sunod-sunod na 3. Galing kay Correa ng CSPC Blue Stallions. At dahil dyan napatawag nga ng timeout itong ating USI Falcons kasi katulad ng sinabi natin kanina, naihabol po ng CSPC Blue Stallions yan dahil sa dalawang tres na naigawa dito kay Correa. 47-40. We only have 2 minutes and 34 seconds remaining. Napakaganda nitong opensa on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions kahit nakailan tayong hindi nakapasok sa side ng Blue Stallions, bumawi din naman agad itong ating mga players, most especially Correa for having that back-to-back 3-pointers coming from him.
Ayun din at naibaba na nga nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions yung kalamangan dito ng USI Falcons from 11 points. Ngayon 7 points na lang, and let's see kung maipapantay na nila yan dito sa natitirang 2 minutes and 34 seconds ng ating second quarter.
Yes, ito nga yung pinag-uusapan natin, Jasper. Itong dalawang kupunan natin hindi dapat basta-basta, alam mo yun, maging kampante sa laro nila dahil hahabol at hahabol. USI ba niya o CSPC, kaya magandang laban itong ating napapanood ngayong hapon na pong ito. Now, it's the USI basketball. 47-40 sa ating scoreboard. Now, jersey number 5, Cruelos, tries. Now passes again, Cruelos, 3, wala yan. Offensive rebound, De Rosario, wala pa rin. Now, the ball will go on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Another chance para sa CSPC Blue Stallions para mabawasan yung kalamangan ng USI Falcons. Now, jersey number 19 to inbound. Now, jersey number 19. No good.
Defensive rebound here by the USA Falcons. Now, jersey number 13 to jersey number 5 of the USA Falcons, Burse. Now, jersey number 13, mid-range jumper. No good on that attempt, pero nakuha na ang bola dito ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Jersey number 19. No hesitation, puts it on the outside, and that's good for 3 points. Hatid sa atin yan ng KD Sportswear and Apparel. Grabe yun, Tin.
Yes, another
3 points of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Ayan, big thanks to Cornelio para sa tres na yan ng CSPC Blue Stallions. And now, 4 points na lamang hinahabol dito. Locke, may hawak ng bola. Pass to jersey number 8. Basket count with a foul. Chance for a 3-point play para dito kay jersey number 8 ng ating USI Falcons, Quijano.
Grabe yun, no hesitation. He puts that ball kahit dalawa yung bantay niya doon, and yun na nga, may kasama pa siya dong whistle for the 3 points play opportunity. Now Doloso checked in for the USI Falcons. So we'll see kung magtutuloy-tuloy nga ba ang momentum dito ng ating USI Falcons. That's good for that free throw. 3 points play opportunity by Quijano. Ayan, naibalik na po sa 7 puntos ang kalamangan nila dito. Now, jersey number 22 for the Blue Stallions on the outside to jersey number 13. Now to jersey number 23 on the outside, jersey number 22. Good ball rotation ang pinapakita dito. Mid-range jumper, and that's good. For that 2 points. Hatid sa atin ni jersey number 24 of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Good opportunity, good chance for them to lower the chance or the lead of the USA Falcons here now. Jersey number 25 drives to the inside. No hesitation, no good in that attempt.
Now, jersey number 23 on the run. Papasok sa loob. No good. Now, USI ngayon tumatakbo with 18 seconds na lamang natitira. Doloso. A whistle foul there.
May kasabay na naman siya tindon na whistle. And the 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Doloso of the USA Falcons. Another opportunity for them to increase their lead here kontra dito sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Will they get their 3rd win? Or the CSPC will get their 3rd win? Ayan.
Now, Doloso for his 2nd try on the free throw line. That's good. Now 52-45, 14 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Now jersey number 22, maglapid to inbound. Ngayon, maglapid, may hawak ng bola. Now passes on jersey number 23, Labalan. Labalan ngayon, back to maglapid. 4 seconds to shoot. Correa. Now the ball will stay on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. We only have 0.69 counts remaining sa ating first half. Maglapid to inbound. And that's it. That's the end of our first half. 52-45, a 7-point lead coming from the USI Falcons. We will be back for our more actions 3rd quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry experience. Our institution provides of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
We are back for the second half of the matchup of the USI Falcons and the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now 52-45 in favor of the USI Falcons. Now ball or out of bounds ball para sa side ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Ngayon, napakaganda nung ating naging first half dito. First quarter, second quarter, napakaganda nung bakbakan ng CSPC Blue Stallions at ng USI Falcons. Great match talaga itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito at wala pa silang talo pareho. Kung kaya talagang pinaninindigan nila na maganda yung laban kapag sila yung naglalaro dito. Now it's the ball possession of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Diang na may hawak ng bola. 13 seconds to shoot now. Diang going inside. Passes to jersey number 22. Pero passes to the wrong person. Doloso now. At wala pa rin now dito sa ating halftime analysis. Madami yung naging turnovers dito ng dalawang kupunan. Pero mas madami yung nagawa ng paraan dito ng ating USI Falcons kung kaya sila yung nasa kalamangan ngayon. Now, Falcons, 13 seconds to shoot. Posada was a foul. Posada will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Shoutout po kay John Basales, kay Jameson Brenya, kay James Angelo Gabarda at kay Kim Monteroso na nanonood sa atin ngayon. Now Posada on the free throw line again. That's good. Now, USI is still on the lead here para sa ating third quarter. Ano kaya yung gagawin dito ng USI Falcons to be consistent on their game? At para makikita yung update all the way from their side, let's hear it from Chen. Hi Chen, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Jasper. We are now on the half quarter of the game at patuloy pa rin na nagpapamalas na galing ang Falcons sa larangan ng basketball. They just have to continue the consistency of the good play they are showing from the beginning. During the huddle, Coach Tupe remind them to at least don't make any mistake dahil masyadong nagmamadali ang players. Kailangan lang nilang ibalik ang good communication na naging maganda ang kinalabasan from the first quarter to second quarter. This time, sisimulan ulit nila ang good start na pinakita nila at pinagandaan para sa larong ito. Yan muna ang update dito sa side ng Falcons. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen, on that update from the side of the USI Falcons. And yun na nga, Coach Tupe. Coach Tupe reminded them to lessen their mistakes and their error dito sa ating second half para naman magtuloy-tuloy yung kanilang momentum. And of course, kailangan na lang nilang i-keep yung kanilang good communication to have these points and to keep their momentum dito sa ating second half. Ayan, at kung nakita natin on that last sequence by Doloso, 2 points layup, and as we can see here, the eagerness of the USI Falcons to get their third win this season.
58-45 in favor of the USI Falcons. Now, meron na nga 8 puntos na kalamangan itong ating USI Falcons. Kaya ano kaya yung gagawin ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions para ulit makalapit sa puntos ng USI Falcons? Dahil kung mapapansin mo, Jasper, lumalapit lang itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Pero hindi nga sila nakakalabang. At para makikita ng update all the way from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions, let's hear it from Precious. Hi Precious, any updates?
Thank you, Tin and Jasper. Hindi pa tayo tapos. There's still more momentum to witness from the Blue Stallions. Despite the leading points coming from the opponent, mas ibinubuhos ng ating Blue Stallions ang kanilang malakas na depensa at pagkakaisa. Iginait sa koponan na huwag madiliin ang bawat tira. Tignan kung ano ang ibinibigay to bounce back effectively. With their current mantra, do what you can and don't do too much. Mas nag-aalab ang kanilang strategiya na muling makabawi sa ating game ngayon. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Precious, on that update from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. And ayun na nga tin, marami pa tayong matutunghayan na momentum dito sa ball game na ito, lalong-lalo na dito sa ating second half. 7 minutes and 55 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. And meron pa tayong fourth and last quarter. And ayun na nga, malakas na depensa ang minimaintain ngayon ng CSPC Blue Stallions. And according to their coach, wag madaliin paghawak na nila ang bola. And maganda tin yung kanilang mantra, do what you can but don't do too much. Napakagandang words of wisdom, words of motivation for these players to do their best pagdating dito sa ating hardcourt.
Now, USI's basketball. Pusada kayo, may hawak ng bola. 12 seconds to shoot. Papasok sa loob. Passes to jersey number 15. Pero whistled foul there. Now, jersey number 15 will be on the free throw line. Itong ating USI Falcons. Graho. First attempt. That's good. Now, Jasper, shoutout tayo dito kay Irene Tosok, Timothy Alarcon, Ramos Yusef, Gerard Arabaca, kay Len Trinidad, Kayla Kasuya, and Joy Doloso. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay.
Ayan, Ten. Let us commend our media partners. We have One Media TV 48 Naga, headed by our station manager, Sir Jermin Jacob, our technical director, Engineer RJ Rebidorial, and of course, our napakagandang production administrator, we have Ma'am Irene Tosok. And of course, ang ating masisipag na cameraman, we have Sir Kim Monteroso, Sir James Gabarda, we have Marniela Berido. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And of course, Christine Reyes, ang napakagandang commentator.
Now, 61-47 on our scoreboard. Ball possession na ngayon ng ating USI Falcons. Chance para mas mapalaki pa dito yung kalamangan nila against the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, Wasibor may hawak ng bola. 20 seconds to shoot. Now, Doloso going inside. Passes here. Now, Pusada ngayon may hawak ng bola. Nagkakaagawan pero still from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions, Deang. Jersey number 19. No good. Na, nagkakagawa ng bola.
Ayan. At magandang depensa ang pinapakita nitong dalawang koponan na ito. Let's see dito sa ating replay. Nagkaagawan doon ng bola. And ayun na nga, sumubsob dito si jersey number 23 of the USI Falcons. Kaya naman mapupunta ang bola dito sa USI Falcons.
Now, Wasibor. 10 seconds to shoot here. Doloso for 3. That's good. 3-pointer coming from Doloso.
Grabe yung tinatid sa atin yan ng Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated. Maraming salamat po. Now, another 3. No good on that 3 points attempt. And same ball possession. Natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 15. Same ball possession of the CSPC Stallions. Now,
Deang to inbound. 14 seconds to shoot here. Atanasio, no good. Now, USI Falcons on the run here. Jersey number 8, Titirecho. with a foul. Kaya, chance here for the USI Falcons. Jersey number 8, nakuha pa yung puntos with a foul. Quijano ngayon. Pero medyo nagkakaintan dito. Bigyan ng tactical foul itong si Quijano ng USI Falcons.
Ayan, at we'll wait for the verdict of our officials kung magkakaroon ba talaga dito ng free throw si Atanasio of the CSPC Blue Stallions. And ayun na natin, ball possession lamang ang mapupunta sa CSPC Blue Stallions. Diang to inbound. And 4 checked in for the USI Falcons. And nakita natin doon sa replay, yun ang atin, Quijano. Now, Asibor pushes to the inside, no hesitation, no good on that attempt.
Now, CSPC's basketball jersey number 35 now.
Belgica, and a steal here by Posada of the USA Falcons. Back-to-back steal here by the CSPC Blue Stallions. Jersey number 14, libreng-libre, puts up that layup. 2 points for the Blue Stallions. And yun na nga, napatawag agad din ng timeout dito ang side ng USA Falcons. So we'll see kung ano yung i-adjust nila sa kanilang play, dahil kung napapansin natin din ay maaga or madaling agawan ng bola itong ating USA Falcons. And of course, CSPC Blue Stallions, paano nila itutuloy ang kanilang momentum dito sa ating third quarter para naman maipantay ang kanilang puntos sa puntos ng USA Falcons.
Ngayon nga, Jasper, meron ng 15-point lead itong ating USI Falcons. Medyo napag-iiwanan yung ating CSPC Blue Stallions dito sa ating third quarter. At meron na lamang tayong 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Kaya ano kaya yung gagawing adjustment ng CSPC Blue Stallions para muli nilang makuha yung kanilang momentum dito at mabawasan yung kalamangan na meron ng ating USI Falcons. Now, 4 minutes and 49 seconds remaining. Ball possession of the USI Falcons. Asibor to inbound. Now passes to Burse. Chance again for the USI Falcons here to take on the lead ng ating USI Falcons. Nagal passes here to Burse. 12 seconds to shoot here. Burse heavily guarded here. Passes to 4. 4 ngayon to Asibor. No good. Now chance for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Cornelio passes now to Diang. CSPC chance to lessen that gap of the USI Falcons.
Now, Diang pushes to the inside with that layup. No hesitation, and that's good for the CSPC Blue Stallions. 2 puntos ang idadagdag dito sa kanilang talaan.
Now, a steal from the side of the CSPC. Diang, didiretso, passes now to Cornelio.
Grabe yun din yung coordination nila doon eh. May bantay doon si Diang, pero pinasa niya lang doon sa ilalim with that easy layup for the Stallions. And as we can see, mahigpit na ang depensang pinapakita dito ng Stallions.
Yes, at kailangan na kailangan nila ngayon yan. Now, Doloso heavily guarded here by jersey number 14. A steal from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallion. Belgica passes now to Cornelio for a big 3 ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Grabe, itong ating CSPC, hindi papatalo. Kahit malaki yung kalamangan ng ating USI Falcons, talaga namang ginagawa ng paraan para malapit yung kanilang puntos dito. Na good.
Nagiinit na itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Back-to-back steals and back-to-back points putting up by the CSPC Blue Stallions. Let's see. And malapit na nilang maipantay 8 points lead. Another 3 of the CSPC Blue Stallions courtesy of jersey number 13.
Yes, Cornelio na mainit sa 3 points dito ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. 17 seconds para dito sa ating USI Falcons. 61-66. 5 puntos na lamang ang kalamangan ngayon ng USI Falcons. Now Nagal, may hawak ng bola. Passes now to Asibor. Asibor tries. That's good! Naipasok pa yung tres ni Asibor with a foul.
4 points play opportunity for Asibor plus ball possession ang mapupunta sa USI Falcons. Grabe din. Third quarter is very crucial for this both teams. Third quarter pa lang din pero grabe din ang init na ng ating bakbakan dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium.
Yung nangyayari nga dito, Jasper, maganda yung performance nitong ating USI as well as the CSPC Blue Stallions, pero hindi nakakalamang itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions kanina pa from the first quarter. But let's see if magkakaroon ng momentum para sa side ng ating CSPC. As of the moment, Dia ngayon may hawak na bola, heavily guarded by Asibor, pero the ball will stay on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. 70-61, 9-point lead. Napalaki muli ng USI Falcons yung kanilang kalamangan dyan. We only have 2 minutes and 46 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
Deang to inbound. Now Belgica for the Blue Stallions. No hesitation. Puts up the 2 points with a whistle and a 3 points play opportunity here for Belgica of the CSPC Blue Stallions. 7 puntos na lamang po ang kalamangan na hawak dito ng USI Falcons. Titingnan natin kung ibababa pa ni Belgica sa 6 na puntos. Grabe din. Alright, so grabe, yun na nga naibaba sa 4 na puntos. And a turnover here on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. And as we can see here, Tin, their captain ball, Felix Andrew Diang, pinapakalma niya yung players, yung kanyang team. Kahit back-to-back points yung hinahatid nila dito sa bakbakan na ito, they need to stay calm and stay focused to keep this momentum tuloy-tuloy. Now let's see here, Diang pass for the 3, no good. And defensive rebound here by the Falcons. Nagmamadali Asibor with that layup. 2 points naman for the USI Falcons.
Ayan nga, Jasper, walang nagpapahuli dito sa CSPC as well as the USI. Now, Belgica passes now to Correa. Correa ngayon, papasa dito kay Cornelio. Tries for a dip 3. No good this time. Now, chance for the USI Falcons to widen that gap. Baita ngayon, may hawak ng bola, di diretso. Asibor was there. No good on that second chance. Now,
third chance of the Falcons as they get the ball on that held ball situation. Now, jersey number 3, Asibor fires for 3. That's good for the USI Falcons. Atid sa atin yan ng Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated. Grabe yun, Tin.
Palitan na ng puntos itong ating CSPC as well as the USI ngayon. Heavily guarded here. Diang may hawak ng bola. Tries for a mid-range jumper. That's good.
Grabe talaga itong dalawang koponan na ito, Tin. Talagang maipapatunayan dito sa atin ngayong hapon. Undefeated teams looking for their third win. Let's see. Dahil sa salitan na puntos. Grabe.
Now, CSPC with a ball possession. Chance here to lessen that gap of the USI Falcons. Belgica now passes to Cornelio. We only have 57 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Diang may hawak ngayon ng bola. Heavily guarded here. Cornelio. Chance here. Correa going inside. Tries. That's good.
And as we can see here, Tin, may iniinda si Felix Andrew Diang of the CSPC Stallions. Parang medyo nadulas siya dun sa pagdala niya ng bola dun kanina Pero let's see. At napalta naman na dito si Felix Andrew Diang. Substitution has been implemented here. Now, Asibor for the Falcons. 40 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Now, jersey number 18 on the corner for 3, no good. Now, Atanasio for the CSPC Blue Stallions with that pass and the whistle. Grabe. Jersey number 26 with that 2 free throws for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Dahil dun sa foul ni jersey number 9 of the Falcons. Good opportunity for the Stallions to lessen the lead of the USI Falcons.
Yes, now Kulibar on the free throw line. 75-68 on our scoreboard. We only have 28 seconds left for our third quarter. At napakaganda nga yung performance na ipinapakita dito ng ating USI Falcons as well as the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, Kulibar, first attempt. That's good. Now, ito lang yung kailangan ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Kalma, pero may puntos na magagawa. And they really need that to have that lead against the USI Falcons. And now, ball possession. The USI Falcons, we only have 28 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. Burse ngayon may hawak ng bola. Passes to Asibor. Now, Baita.
5 puntos na lamang ang hawak dito ng Falcons with 15 seconds on their shot clock. Baita. Now, mid-range jumper. No good on that attempt pero may bawi doon. Si jersey number 22 of the Falcons. Now, jersey number 13. No good on that attempt pero may bawi din. Si 26 no good. Another. No good. And dyan natin nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. 77-70. 7 points lead ang hawak ngayon ng USI Falcons. Dyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami here on One Via TV48 Naga and Dragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back for our fourth and last quarter of the CSPC Blue Stallions and USI Falcons matchup. And as of the moment, 77-70 na po ang ating scoreboard. May 7 kalamangan itong ating USI Falcons, but a chance for the CSPC with that 3-pointer coming from Atanasio. Now, a good opening para sa ating fourth quarter dito ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, Asibor, babawi ba para dito sa ating USI Falcons? At kanina pa natin, Jasper, pinapakita o nakikita yung magandang laban ng USI as well as the CSPC. Lahat ng players may laro. Lahat ng players nagko-contribute sa mga puntos ng kanilang kupunan. And as of the moment, the CSPC Blue Stallions here have the chance to lessen the gap. Belhica with that easy 2. Now, 4 points na lamang hinahabol dito ng CSPC. Pero ang USI dire-diretso lamang dito, Graho. Ayan nga, Jasper. Yung ating USI Falcons, maganda yung pinapakita simula pa nung first quarter up until now, the last quarter of the game. Kaya para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the USI Falcons, let's hear it from Chen. Hi Chen, any updates?
Last quarter na nga, Tin and Jasper, at ramdam ko pa rin ang intense ng laro sa dalawang kupunan para naman sa USI Falcons. This is their last push para bigyan na ng nakakasakal na depensa at wag nang sayangin pa ang pinaghirapang score. Ikalma lang ang sarili and make sure na ipapanalo nila ang larong ito. Kaya naman mga kaibigan, sino kaya ang uuwing panalo? Kaya naman sikaping tumutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Sa ating fourth and last quarter, and ayun ang atin, 4 na puntos na lamang ang hinahawakan nila dito. So let's see kung dadagdagan pa nila yan dito sa ating last sequence on that 3 points attempt, and that's good for 3 points. Grabe, hatid sa atin yan ng Skydeck Advertising. Maraming salamat po. Now jersey number 24, no good on that 3 points attempt and out of bounds as the CSPC Blue Stallions will take the ball possession. Ngayon naman humingi tayo ng update sa kanilang side. The CSPC Blue Stallions, nandyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Precious. Hi Precious, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Jasper. With high-flying consecutive 3 points coming from the Blue Stallions, the game is getting more intense. Talagang itinatak ng kupunan ang kanilang best set of tactics to don't lose focus, be less aggressive, and lessen their mistakes. At matalino ang humahabol ang Blue Stallions sa kanilang lapses ngayong hapon. Defense ang sinisigaw ng ating Blue Stallions. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Precious, on that update from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. And ayun na natin, kailangan ditong mag-focus ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions para naman ma-redeem yung kalamangan na nagawa dito ng USI Falcons. And of course, they need to be aggressive, not too much, and to lessen their mistakes and their errors dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. This is very crucial for both of these teams dahil dito na tayo magdidesisyon kung sino ang mananalo sa ating ball game na ito. Sino kaya ang makakukuha ng kanilang pangatlong panalo with that layup by jersey number 19. 2 points ang maidadagdag dito sa CSPC Blue Stallions. Now Asibor with the whistle here. Ayan din, at natawagan dito ng blocking foul si jersey number 24 of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Now, 82-77 on our scoreboard. 5-point lead coming from the side of the USI Falcons. And we only have 7 minutes and 8 seconds para sa ating last quarter. At last chance na rin ito para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito para makuha ang kanilang third win. Kung sino nga ba? It's the USI Falcons or is it the CSPC Blue Stallions? Now, it's a ball possession of the USI Falcons as Locke will inbound the ball for the side of the USI Falcons. Now, chance for the USI to widen that gap against the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, Graho passes to Locke. Locke for 3. No good. Now, Stallions on the run. Diang may hawak ng bola. Passes now to jersey number 23. 17 seconds to shoot. Now Correa may hawak ng bola. Passes again to jersey number 23. 10 seconds to shoot para sa ating Blue Stallions. Cornelio passes to Diang. Tries for 3. No good. Pero offensive rebound dito ng Blue Stallions. Tries again. Wala pa rin. Naubusan na nga ng oras itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions.
Grabe din, talagang mahigpit pa rin yung depensa dito ng USI Falcons dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Talagang they are determined to get their third win this season and manatiling undefeated dito sa season 6 ng Bukal. Now let's see here, jersey number 22. Now jersey number 15, no good on that attempt and a second chance.
Now, 82-77.
80-77 ang puntos ngayon ng dalawang koponan na ito dito sa ating 6 minutes and 22 seconds remaining ng ating fourth and last quarter. Jersey number 15 with that basket.
Now, Blue Stallions basketball. Cornelio ngayon may hawak ng bola. Passes to jersey number 19. 16 seconds to shoot here. Blue Stallions to Correa. Wala pa rin. At nakukuha muli ng USI Falcons sa kanilang momentum for our last quarter. We only have 6 minutes sa ating larong ito. Asibor ngayon with the ball. Tries for 3. No good this time.
Grabe. Nag-post dito yung CSPC Blue Stallions kaya naman nakuha doon ng another 2 points itong ating USI Falcons, and that's good. Now, jersey number 13, no good on that 3 points attempt. Defensive rebound of the Falcons here. Asibor slowing things. Now, on the 3 points attempt by Asibor, no good. Second chance here by the Falcons. Let's see. Asibor pushes to the inside. And yun ang atin. Naubusan na sila doon ng shot clock. Pero 2 points ang naidagdag sa kanilang koponan. 87-77. Agad namang napatawag dito ng timeout ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions. 10 puntos po ang hawak na kalamangan ng ating USI Falcons. Ayan, dyan lamang po kaya't magbabalik po kami only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back para sa pagpapatuloy ng labarang USI Falcons and CSPC Blue Stallions. 87-77 in favor of the USI Falcons. 10 ang hawak ngayon ng ating USI Falcons at nasa last quarter na lamang po tayo. Kaya ano kaya ang gagawin nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions para mabawasan yung kalamangan na hawak ng USI Falcons? Now, Atanasio with the ball. 16 seconds to shoot. The ball will stay on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. 5 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Now 15 seconds shot clock on the side of the CSPC. Diang passes to Cornelio with a foul. Now, a 3-point opportunity para dito kay Cornelio ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Chance to lessen that gap.
Ayan, at 8 puntos na lamang dito ang kalamangan ng ating USI Falcons. Tingnan natin kung babawasan pa yun ng isa ni Cornelio. 4 minutes and 59 seconds remaining. And ayun na nga, 10. Binawasan pa yun ng isa ni Cornelio. Down to 7 points lead ng ating USI Falcons now. Grabe. Marami pa tayong oras na natitira. Let's see kung mababawi ba ng Falcons or ng Stallions ang lamang dito. And that's good for 2 points.
Ayan nga, hindi nauubusan ng depensa itong ating USI Falcons. But on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions, patuloy din sila sa pagpuntos dito para umarangkada sa kanilang laban against the USI Falcons, courtesy of Vilitario for that 2 points. Now, Doloso for 3. No good. Pero offensive rebound dito. Asibor naman ngayon. Titira. Wala pa rin. Now, Cornelio with that rebound on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, Atanasio. Dire-diretso. No good. The ball will stay on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. We only have 4 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. dito sa ating last quarter.
Grabe yun, Tin. Ball possession na sana ng USA Falcons pero they're stepping on the baseline. Turnover here for the Blue Stallions and a whistle here. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito sa CSPC Blue Stallions. Courtesy of Atanasio. Good opportunity for them to lessen the gap and makahabol dito sa ating natitirang 4 minutes ng ating fourth and last quarter. Grabe, Tin. Marami pa ang pwedeng mangyari dito. Pwedeng mabawi nito ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions ang kalamangan na nagawa dito ng USA Falcons. No good on that 2 free throws by Atanasio. Now, Posada drives to the inside with no hesitation, puts up that layup. And 2 points ang maidadagdag dito sa side ng USA Falcons. 9 points lead of them now. Felixandro Diang.
Passes now to Atanasio. Atanasio, di diretso, but a whistle foul there. So he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Penalty na nga itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions.
Now, Atanasio, no good pa rin on the free throw line. Sayang yung opportunity ni Atanasio. 3 points na sana ang naidagdag sa CSPC Blue Stallions. And ayun, Tin, pasok na yung last free throw ni Atanasio dito. So, let's see. Marami-rami pang oras na natitira. 3 minutes and 33 seconds remaining. Let's see here. Posada nagdadala ng bola for the Falcons. Now, on the outside, Asibor fires for 3 and that's good for the USA Falcons. Patuloy na lumolobo ang kanilang puntos dito. 11 points lead of the Falcons here. Now, Belgica pushes to the inside with that 2 points layup.
Yan, hindi nga hinahayaan ng CSPC Blue Stallions na mas mapalaki pa yung kalabangan dito ng ating USA Falcons. But this time, Falcons with a ball possession. 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining para dito sa matchup ng USA Falcons and CSPC Blue Stallions. Sino kaya ang dire-diretsong makakakuha na kanilang panalo for this season of bukas sa ating elimination round? Now, look. First attempt, that's good. Now he will try again for the second time.
10 puntos na po ang hawak dito ng USA Falcons. 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and last quarter. We'll see kung dadagdagan pa yan ni Locke. And ayun na nga, dinagdagan pa yan ng isang puntos ni Locke of the USA Falcons. That's good for the 2 points by jersey number 19.
Now USI 96-87. Asibor passes now to Doloso going inside, but a traveling violation was committed by Doloso. So a turnover para dito sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions.
Traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Ayan, 10. Back to the ball game. Ball possession of the Stallions now. Belgica on the outside. Pushes to the inside. Now, blind pass there and the steal here by the Falcons. Graho pushes to the inside. No hesitation. No good on that shot. Belgica secures the ball on that rebound. Now, Diang tries for the 3. No good on that attempt. And quick turnover tayo dito on the side of the USA Falcons. Grabe. 2 minutes and 4 seconds na lamang pang natitira dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. 9 points lead of the USA Falcons. Let's see. Posada drives to the inside. No good on that shot pero may kasabay na whistle. 10. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay jersey number 15 of the USA Falcons. Kaya naman pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Biggs, Elise Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, and of course, Ngo and Sons Trading Industries Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta and of course sa ating mga live audiences all the way na tumutok from our first quarter up until dito sa ating fourth and last quarter ay maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
And now, a whistle foul again here. 96-87 on our scoreboard. Shoutout naman tayo dito, Jasper, kay Marlene Segundo, Angel Ann, at kay Mary Bless Liza Belen na nanonood sa atin ng matchup ng USI Falcons and CSPC Blue Stallions. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkantabay. Now, jersey number 19, Nianggar on that free throw line. 96-88 na po sa ating talaan at meron na lamang tayo natitirang 1 minute and 42 seconds remaining ngayong hapon na ito.
Ayan at John Laiko Nianggar ang itinanghal na best player of the game last game ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions kontra sa MPCF Blue Dolphins. And dagdag 2 puntos na naman for the USI Falcons. 10 points lead ang hawak nila ngayon. Now 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Let's see here, Diang on the outside, pushes to the inside with that. No good on that pull-out jumper. Now Posada. And a foul here by Atanasio of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Kaya naman napatawag dito ng timeout ang kanilang koponan, the CSPC Blue Stallions. 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Titingnan natin kung kakayanin pa bang mabawi dito ng CSPC Blue Stallions ang 10 puntos na kalabangan dito ng USI Falcons. Lalong-lalo na at 1 minute and 9 seconds na lamang ang natitira dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. So we'll see kung patuloy din bang dadagdagan ng USI Falcons ang kanilang kalamangan and will they secure their third win this season.
Kaya ayan, Jasper, yan ang ating aabangan as we are approaching the last minute of the matchup of the USI Falcons and the CSPC Blue Stallions. Pero bagong lahat, shoutout muna tayo dito kay Zane Cortez, kay Pia Recto, at kay Jillian Magadia. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkantabay. Now, Posada will be on the free throw line. 98-88. 10 points na po ang hawak ngayon ng ating USI Falcons at pwede pang madagdagan yan as Posada on the free throw line. No good on that first attempt. Now we will try again for the second time. 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining ang natitira po dito sa laro ng USI Falcons and CSPC Blue Stallions. Now it's the ball possession of the Blue Stallions here. Now jersey number 19 on the run. 18 seconds to shoot here for the Blue Stallions. Now passes to the wrong person. Ngayon, USI na ang may hawak ng bola.
11 points lead of the USA Falcons. Let's see, Asibor with 47 seconds remaining on the shot clock. No good on that 3 points attempt. Now, a blocking foul was called to jersey number 3 of the USA Falcons. Ayan at 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay jersey number 19, John Laiko Nianggar of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
That's good for his first attempt. 99-89 on our scoreboard. Still a 10-point lead coming from the side of the USI Falcons. Now last 40 seconds of the game. Asibor ngayon may hawak ng bola. Now Asibor passes here. Steal for the side of the CSPC. Cornelio for 3. No good. Wala pa rin para sa CSPC. Another chance. Still no good.
Grabe yung 10. Fifth chance sana for the CSPC Blue Stallions pero natawagan na doon ng foul si Rex Belgica, James Angelo Belgica rather, of the CSPC Blue Stallions, si Rex Belgica pala. Doon naman yun sa STI Junior Olympians. Ayan.
Now, Asibor on the free throw line. That's good para sa kanyang unang free throw. 190 sa ating scoreboard. Last 16 seconds of the game.
Now, wrong pass here, miscue. And 8 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Ayun na nga, 10. Diyan na 10. Nagtatapos ang ating fourth and last quarter with that 11 points lead of the USI Falcons. Congratulations dahil undefeated pa rin itong ating USI Falcons with 3 wins and 0 losses. Congratulations din sa CSPC Blue Stallions for giving us a good game. Napakagandang laban sa pagtatapos ng aksyon ngayong linggo. Ayan, dyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami para sa best player of the game only here on One Media, TV48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon.
The best player of the game is brought to you by Tigers Cafe, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. And the USI Falcons are indeed soaring back nga naman as they got their third win against the CSPC Blue Stallions. The best player of the game is none other than jersey number 3, Julark Asibor, with 27 points, 2 rebounds, 7 assists, and 2 steals. Good evening and congratulations as a key player. Can you share with us kung paano kayo nagtulungan sa loob ng hardcourt para makuha ang panalo?
Unang-una po sa lahat, tiwala lang sa bawat isa. Then sinunod lang namin yung mga instruction ng mga coaches sa amin. And ang pinakamahalaga po is focus sa depensa, disiplina, iwas sa foul. Yan lang po.
Ayan, how does it feel na third win at ikaw best player of the game?
Masaya po. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na po yung panalo namin hanggang sa second round. And yun, thank you po unang-una kay Lord sa binigay niya sa amin na panalo. And thank you din sa family ko, sa Libmanan, kila mama, kila papa, kay ate. Sa pamangkin ko, kay Johan, shout out. And yun, salamat. Salamat po sa mga coaches, sa mga teammates ko. Thank you. And sa mga klase ko dyan na sumuporta sa BSBA. Sa girlfriend ko, kay Drill K. Razonable, shout out. Yan. Thank you.
Ayan, thank you so much and congratulations. Ayan mga kaibigan, muli, this is Jan Shaira Nicolas, your courtside reporter, only here at Bukal Season 6, One Media, TV48 Naga, and Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayun na natin at nakilala na natin ang ating best player of the game, none other than jersey number 3, Jolark Asibor of the USI Falcons with 27 points, 2 rebounds, 7 assists, and 2 steals. Ayun na nga, nanatiling undefeated ang ating USI Falcons with 3 wins and 0 losses. And of course, congratulations din sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions sa pagbibigay ng magandang laban dito sa atin ngayong hapon. And dyan na po nagtatapos ang aksyon ngayong week, 4-pack day action of Bukal. And once again, I am Jasper Abante.
And I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes. Magbabalik po kami the next week para sa mga aksyon na laban po dito sa ating Bukal Season 6, only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.